Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. I wanted to, I'm making a rating change on uranium from buy to neutral, and it's pretty straightforward, but let's get into it. This is the chart, the weekly chart of uranium. It goes back 2 years, let's call it. And here's where we went to a buy recommendation on December 27th at 45.88. And I want to point out here as we hit these higher highs in price, we got higher highs on our relative strength index, which is confirming this high. In other words, as prices hit the highest high, there was more underlying strength in that high, and that's what you want to see. What that makes me think is there's another high coming. So when it corrected 26%, we jumped in on December 27th at 45.88. And on Friday, we closed at 54.40 for a 19% gain in, I don't know, 3 weeks or something. I still think there's a higher high coming. But as you can see, these lines I talked about, even when we made the buy, that I wouldn't be surprised if we have some sort of consolidation here, some sort of a triangle or something like that to work off this overbought condition. So if that were to happen, we'd have another down move and then another up move. Um, and so I'm going to a neutral rating. If I look at some of the other metals like gold and silver, they have ending diagonal patterns forming, which suggests a correction in them. And usually metals go as a group. So I wouldn't be surprised to see uranium pull back. But that's the recommendation. If we look at the really short-term chart, each one of these bars represents a week of price action. But if we take a look at the intraday, so each one of these bars represents 2 hours of trading. And you can see back at the beginning of 2026, we had a very overbought condition. And as prices have chugged higher, we're getting lower highs. So because this is such a short-term chart, I'm not looking for a massive drop, but I wouldn't be surprised to see a 5 to 10% correction. Let's take a look at the point and figure chart. And here we are. We have a bullish trend line. So again, I think everything points to higher prices eventually. We actually, on this breakout here, have a price projection 63, which would give us a new high. But short term, we have what's called a pull. Anything that is 10x, 10, a column of 10 or more is considered a pull and tells you that it is overbought. So all these things kind of point to the possibility of some sort of a pullback. And for, a 19-20% gain in 3 weeks, that wouldn't surprise me. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends, neighbors, family. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Go Bears.